Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger chicken tikki at home. First, cut 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken into 1-inch pieces. Next, combine plain yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a blend of tikka spices in a large bowl. Add the chicken to this mixture, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb all the delicious flavors. This step is crucial for tender and flavorful tikki. Once marinated, thread your chicken pieces onto skewers if grilling, or arrange them in a single layer in a hot pan. Cook over medium heat, turning occasionally, for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want the chicken to be fully cooked through and have a beautiful, slightly charred exterior. This char adds that signature smoky tikki flavor that makes these burgers so special. Don't overcrowd your pan to ensure even cooking. Now for the fun part, assembling your delicious chicken tikki burger. Start by lightly toasting your burger buns. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Spread a generous amount of mint chutney or a creamy, cooling sauce on both the top and bottom bun halves. Then, place your perfectly cooked chicken tikki on the bottom bun, followed by fresh sliced onions and juicy tomatoes. Feel free to add other toppings you love. Your homemade chicken tikki burger is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite side, perhaps some crispy fries or a refreshing salad. Don't hesitate to get creative with your toppings and sauces. A little experimentation can lead to new favorite combinations. For more cooking tips and other great deals, check out the description below this video. You'll find links to helpful resources and products, including the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading needs. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.